If you're looking for a teleprompter to use in Google Meet, you're at the right place. I'm going to show you how to get your notes or a full script floating right in front of you on any call. And the best part, it's invisible during screen sharing and scrolls automatically using speech recognition. A bit of context first. I was recording a lot of podcasts and webinars using Google Meet, and honestly, even though I had experience in everything, it was still quite stressful every time. I was worried I could forget something important, or say something weirdly, or just wouldn't come up with good questions for my guests. It was so frustrating. I had to do something. So I built VoicePrompter. It took all the pre-recording stress away. Just knowing it was right there with my notes gave me the peace of mind I needed so badly. And also, it saved me a lot of time. It was so convenient that, honestly, I just started using VoicePrompter as my floating notes for every video call, not just podcasts or webinars. Alright, here's how it works. VoicePrompter is a native macOS application that lives in the menu bar, so you can start your script from anywhere. Then a floating window appears, just like this one, that stays always on top of everything else, including Google Meet, even when your browser is in full screen mode, which is extremely convenient. I was so tired of the split screen with Google Docs. And you can even make the window follow your mouse if you would like to show a demo, click some buttons, and see your script in front of you at any time. So what you see is your script or notes floating right next to the camera or next to someone's face, basically anywhere on the screen. What everyone else on the call sees is nothing. The window is completely invisible to them, and that's true even when you're sharing your screen or recording. Let's simulate a video call. As you can see, it's on the screen sharing right now, but if I go to settings and enable hidden from screen sharing and recordings, boom, it disappears. So cool. Alright, you also don't need to scroll it manually. VoicePrompter uses Apple's on-device speech recognition to follow your voice and move the script forward as you speak, pausing when you pause and picking up again when you continue. If you go off script, it will just wait for you no matter what. Since everything is happening on device, your scripts or audio never go to any server. It's completely private and works offline. And if you're wondering if it works with any app, it does. Not just Google Meet, but also Zoom, Microsoft Teams, FaceTime, OBS, Riverside, Descript, anything really. The most important part, it just works reliably, hands-free, and has your back. There are a ton of customization options and quality of life features. I encourage you to download the app and try it yourself. VoicePrompter is free to try. You get a demo script plus 3 scripts of unlimited length to test with your own content. And if you need more scripts, there's both a one-time purchase and a subscription options available. The link to the Mac App Store is below. Thanks for watching and take care.